guys, so we are in the car. I got the air on. I'm sorry, it is 103 degrees out, but I decided to do like a mukbang. I think that's how you say it, mukbang, and Bath and Body Works haul. That way I could talk to you guys about the new line that just dropped, the Mediterranean market collection. It is online right now. I actually ordered mine online because my store kept saying they weren't going to put it out until the 7th. I was like, what? So I just was like, I ain't going to wait. And y'all, I have the Chick-fil-A fat-free honey mustard. I told y'all, this Cobb salad is life, y'all. This Cobb salad is life. But anyway, okay, Cobb salad is life. I'm going to show y'all it in a second after I drizzle, you know, the dressing on it. Yes, baby, drizzle that dressing on. It has no fat in it. But yeah, so my store was saying that they weren't going to get it out until the 7th, and I was like, honey, I am not waiting till the 7th to, you know, try this line. So I've been waiting for it to hit online, finally hit online today. And today they were doing spend 25 get 20% off. So I took advantage of that. Spend 25 get 20% off. The only thing I hate about online is you have to pay the shipping, but I really wanted it, and I wanted to try Carried Away because Michael was talking so highly of it, and Nicole No Fire was both talking high of it. So I was like, you know what, I need to try it. So I placed an online order, but something told me to just go look in the store, see what they had in the store, see if any new 75% off stuff was there. And lo and behold, the market line was in store too. So let's just get a thumbnail. This is actually my salad, guys, if you guys can see. I know the sun's gonna mess it up, but yeah, that is my salad. So I guess cheese. You get a nice little thumbnail here. So that'll be the thumbnail for the video. But yeah, so I know I'm getting a lot of questions about how long the sale is going to. The sale is supposed to go until everything runs out. However, like, I think the hard date on it is the 2nd week of July. I was hearing, because the people with the tester candles were going to get the tester candles after the SAS, because, you know, there are tester stores that have the tester stuff for fall. Yes, I'm saying fall. People are already in the mood for fall, and I'm just like, wait a minute. I want fall to hurry up just because my surgery is in the fall. My surgery is going to be the 1st or the 2nd week of September. I find out next month. So I'm kind of in a rush for fall, but in a way I'm not, because I want to enjoy the summer. I mean, it's just now turning July, so I'm trying to enjoy the summer. And y'all know with the mukbangs, you talk with food in your mouth and stuff, so normally I think that's pretty rude, but dang, y'all, this salad is bomb. Like, y'all need to go to Chick-fil-A right now and get a salad. Like, this joint is life. It's lit. Oh my god, it's so good. But anyway, the Mediterranean line is now in stores. So I smell everything in stores. Thank God it was okay. It wasn't nothing I really didn't like. The one I thought I was going to like the most was the one I liked the least, which was surprising. The citrus one, I thought the citrus one was going to be bomb. And it was going to be my favorite because I thought it was going to smell like seaside citrus. It's not like seaside citrus at all. Thank God I didn't go ham on it and only got one of everything in the line. I really do like the Prosecco. I really like the pink Prosecco, I think it's called, or something like that. That smelled really good. So I have one of the sprays coming. They didn't have any of the shower gels. I know Nicole No Fire was able to get the shower gel. I didn't, because they didn't even have the shower gel online yet. But the lady told me to come back to the store on Friday. They might have a shipment in. That way they have it, I can pick it up, because I really wanted the shower gel because it's really, really good. The line that I got the least of, where I only got one item of, was the Mediterranean ways, because everybody's like, oh, it's really masculine, blah 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 blah. But y'all, see, I can't even eat. It's supposed to be a mukbang, but I'm not even eating because I'm going to talk about this. But y'all, the Mediterranean blue waters, this is what it looks like. It smells so good. It is so fresh, and I think I'm gonna go back on Friday once they get their second shipment and get more. It's basically sparkling passion fruit, Mediterranean fig, coconut water, drenched wood, and ocean musk. Y'all, it is so good. It is so good. I really like it. It's a sparkling waters and flowers in bloom make a picture perfect sunny day in the Mediterranean. I enjoy this. This reminds me of something. I can't remember. It is so good. So I am going to be going back and getting more of this because I think this smells really good. I love the, you know, the detailing that they put in it, and my favorite is the detailing that they put on the sprays. The detailing on the sprays is absolutely beautiful. So I cannot wait for my sprays to come in. But I picked up this and I got the shower gel. Because they have the shower gel in store as well. Again, this smells so good. I thought it wasn't going to smell good. It was going to be very masculine. Sorry about that, guys. My phone says 20%, so it like blurs everything out on my end. Not to y'all though. But yeah, I thought it was going to be very masculine. Not at all. Very fresh. Yeah, just a very fresh, clean smell, especially in the summertime when you don't want to be smelling really like much. This is perfect. So this line will be perfect for that, and to give, you know, to one of your kids if they want something that doesn't have a lot of scent in it, this would be really good. So I picked that up, and I'll probably pick some more up on Friday. I'm not sure yet. And then I got this is the pink coconut calypso. This is the holographic hair. So this is normally $18.50, but it was 75% off. It looks just like that. It's holographic hair shimmer spray, so it's supposed to give you like mermaid hair or whatever. But I got it because I wear a lot of black hair now. I don't do a lot of different colors. I want to get some colors. I want to do colors so bad. So heads up, my hair might change next week. But yeah, I figured when I'm wearing black hair, having just a little hint of color, this would be pretty cool. I don't like this in the body care at all. I don't really like the smell of it. It's too coconutty, and I'm not a big fan of like straight up coconut scents and very coconutty scents, and this is one of them. But I figured in a little hair thing, I thought this was cute, and it was very inexpensive, so I got that. The main things that I'm looking for, like if I can find, if Capri Citrus, Seaside Citrus, or whatever it is, if that comes back and I see the actual packaging for it, I would love to have the shower gel and the lotion in that, because that's really good. What else is on my list? The berry spray. I want to check through my collection, see if I have it, you know, the one that came out with the lavender and sandalwood and stuff. I'm going to see if I have the berry spray. If I don't have the berry spray, that's on my list, like the whole berry line. Another lavender and sandalwood body wash, and I'm going to include a clip probably at the end showing you what the store had today. They had them, they're on sale, 75% off, but I do want to wait till the end of the week to get mine. I gotta eat some of my salad. I'm sorry. Oh my god, it's so good. Y'all, this salad is bomb. I'm sorry. But so I'm looking for that. I'm trying to think what else. Like, of course, the Tutte Dulce line, Dulce, whatever, it's not coming back, so I ain't gonna be looking for that. I'm trying to think of anything else I'm really wanting to come out. Not really. That's about it. Yeah, I really think that's all I'm really looking for to come out at the sale. Y'all need to get to Chick-fil-A and get this salad. I do have a haul video that just went up today, which is crazy because now I'm gonna have 2 videos up today because I want this video to go up so people that want the Mediterranean line, they can get it in stores, that they can get that line now because it is online. I know some of the sprays are already sold out, but if you order online, definitely make sure you go through Ebates and get cash money so you can go ahead and get your cash back. I'll leave the link to Ebates below. I always have it below in the coupons part, guys, so just look in the coupons part. That way you can see it so you can get cash back. I love you guys. Thank you guys for being subscribers and rocking with me, y'all. I said it, I'm gonna say it again. It's the season when you're hauling with no reason. Like, okay, I'm stocking up now because after I stock up, I think I'm gonna slow down because I really want to get fall candles. So I'm really gonna like not buy anything, or I'm lying if I say I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm gonna slow down on buying things because I really want to be able to get fall candles. And of course, on the $8.95 candle day, y'all know I want to be able to buy at least $200 in candles. So I have to slow down now because this is the time I need to save for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My little mukbang. I tried to do a mukbang. I didn't even really end up eating. I was running my dang on mouth. But hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I love bringing you videos. Bath and Body Works big haul will be coming this weekend. I'm gonna sit down and film that probably tonight because I have an in-store haul and I want to sit down and film it for you guys. So I'm going to film that one today when I get off work. I'm trying to think what else is coming. If you guys want another walkthrough video, let me know. I can record a walkthrough video this weekend. If you want to see updates on what's on sale, let me know in the comments below. That way I know what videos to bring out to you. I just want to keep it fresh content, and this is the season when I like to post the most videos is SAS. SAS is when I post the most videos. Like normally I'm on the schedule 2 to 3 videos a week, but during SAS you might get a video every day, and like today you're getting 2 videos one day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.